Hi, welcome to Broadcast Honey. This is the Zentangle Braid. So I'm starting with a pencil, and I have a good eraser so I can erase the pencil marks later, because I want the lines to have a curve shape, but to get a general idea of the path I want it to take, I want straight lines. So a pencil seems to work. As you can see, I tapered it off at the end because this is the end of the rope. And at this point I can use the marker. There is one thing I'm not very good at, is making these. This is the rope that holds all the hay together, I guess you can call it, or twine. See how I'm giving it a little bit of a curve? See there, I'm glad I used the pencil. But I don't like this one because it is thick. I'm getting annoyed. I think I'm gonna have to do this over again. All right. Now you see I didn't mark in the pencil mark for the rope itself, because this is supposed to be being holding grass, hay, whatever together, and it would be bulging out of the marker. I mean, of the straps. And down the center it would be kind of lined. You can have a stray one. On this side, obviously it'll be bulging out, and the other side it would be bulging the other way. So the big ones, big spaces in between, it will switch. See that this started out this way, and then I started to turn a little bit over here. And when I come out, and there's the, we want to close off this rope or the strap that's going around this hay. That will be straight and not bulging. Oh, I missed a spot. And then you can just put in more lines to give it some texture. Maybe half lines. Okay, and then I'm going to add in some shading, sort of like this one here. Give it a little bit of a darkened look. I mean, to give it some contrast. And you can shade it in a bit more, but I'm gonna, oops, shaking the camera. I'm gonna erase any pencil lines I might have. By erasing them, I see some places I missed, or a place. And then you can color this in. Now I want to show you, when I first did this, I did it plainly with marker or ink, and you can see the line in there, and I was really disappointed because that came out pretty good. But so that's why I did it in pencil first. It also helps me. I like doing things in pencil first in general. But that's part of your Zentangle repertoire. If you like this video, please share, like, and subscribe. I really appreciate it. Thank you.